What are you guys making?
We're making a colorful thing.
What about you, Riley?
I'm about to use more glue.
Cool.
So I can make it a color. First, I'll show you how I make the color.
Okay.
First, I add a little bit of green. How do I open this?
Got to twist the cap. Hold it hard. Lefty loosey, that's right. Do you need some help?
I'm fine.
Oh, I was talking to Riley. Here you go.
I need some glue though.
Okay. Share the blue with Zelda. Okay, don't use it all. Just use the sprinkle. Good sharing. Oh, okay. Riley, are you having fun? Zelda, you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. It's Riley and Zelda's science laboratory.